What is up, guys? Welcome to another video. So today I am finally getting the honor of visiting my friends Nico and Michelle, the owners of Night Owl, and they are also a sponsor on this channel. So today I will be talking to Michelle about how the business started, and also we will be making our own jewelry. So I am super amped for that. So smash the hell out of that like button, leave a positive comment down below, and let's do this. Okay, Michelle, so tell me, just how did Night Owl start? How did the idea begin? From what?
So first of all, I was tired of corporate.
Okay.
And I wanted to do something artistic, and after a few coffees at a coffee shop in Blueberg, we kind of just went with the jewelry kind of vibe, and Night Owl was born. We had a not so good name, Morocco Dream Designs, and then we switched over to Night Owl due to the fact that I'm a night owl.
And you're working through the night sometimes.
Yeah, working through the night is kind of my thing, and it just kind of stuck. So, yeah.
All right, and tell me, your business is mostly based on polymer clay?
Yes, that's correct. Mostly polymer clay. We bring in a few resin items every now and again, or we do coat some of our pieces that's covered in paint with resin, but predominantly it's only polymer clay.
Okay.
So, yeah.
And a little birdie told me that you will be hosting some workshops very soon.
Yes, I'm very excited. It's very new, but we will be doing private workshops. We will be doing it at the comfort of your own home. So you can invite a few friends, and I'll come and teach you some tips and tricks and help you with earrings.
And are you also available for events, for example?
Yes, definitely.
All right. And also, where can people find you? Your socials and...
I'm on Instagram.
Okay.
And I'm on Facebook currently. We'll be busy with the website. That will hopefully be complete in the next month or two, but we'll let you know as soon as that's done.
Cool, awesome. So yeah, that was just a few questions about Night Owl. You know now that they are a sponsor on my channel, so now you know what Night Owl is all about. And I will also, I'm very nervous, but I will also be making some jewelry today on my own, which I will include in this video. So Michelle, thank you so much for sharing all the info about Night Owl and for being a sponsor on this channel.
Only a pleasure.
Guys, so I told you in the beginning that I am going to make my own earrings with the help of Michelle, and look how gorgeous these came out. I'm super impressed with it. And yeah, so like I mentioned also earlier in the video, Night Owl will be hosting workshops pretty soon. As always, I will leave their links in the description down below. Go give them a like, go give them a follow, and also check out my Facebook and Instagram pages. As soon as the workshops become available, I will also put the links there. And it was really such an awesome and an amazing experience. So please support small businesses and support Night Owl. They are super awesome. Support Night Owl. They are super awesome. And smash the hell out of that like button, leave a positive comment down below, support them, buy their jewelry. It's awesome, and I'll see you guys on the next one.